Good morning children, this is Mark Prasad. Today I am going to explain about tectonic plates in this lesson. Tectonic plates. Before entering into this topic, once we should remember the previous lesson. In the previous class, we have discussed about the natural realms of the earth. What is meant by the realm? Realms means the areas which are having some common features. Those are called realms. The areas which are having some common features. Those are called realms. On the earth, we are having there are four types of natural realms. Those are all interrelated with each other. Those are all interrelated with each other. In the previous class, we have concluded all the natural realms are interrelated with another. Okay, what are the four types of natural realms? We have four types of natural realms. Those are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Among these four natural realms, coming to the first one, lithosphere. Lithosphere means in the language Greek, it means litho means a rock. Litho means a rock. It is having all different types of landforms on it. Litho means rock. Lithosphere means this lithosphere is having all the landforms on it. What are the different types of landforms? Mountains, plateaus, plains, or continents on the earth. These are the different types of landforms on the earth. And coming to hydrosphere. Okay, hydrosphere means it contains the water bodies. It contains the water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes, ponds, etc. Okay. Including with the groundwater, it is showing. Hydrosphere is showing the water bodies which are on the land and the water bodies which are in the ground. In the Greek language, hydro means water. That's why it is called as hydrosphere. And coming to the third one, atmosphere. In the language Greek, atmos means vapor. Atmosphere is having all the different types of gases in it. Like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium. Like these are all the gases mixed in the atmosphere. Now and finally biosphere. Biosphere is showing the living organisms. It states that about the living organisms from the smallest bacteria to the highest living organism and the largest living organism, that is to the depth to the oceans. Okay, this is about the natural realms of the earth. And coming to the first one, detailed explanation about the lithosphere. On the lithosphere, we can see the continents and oceans. Okay, these continents and oceans are called first order landforms. In the previous class, we have discussed about the first order landforms. Which are called first order landforms? Oceans and continents are called first order landforms, which are located or which are lying on the lithosphere. These are all lying on lithosphere. The first order landforms are oceans, continents. Oceans and continents are called as first order landforms. Coming to these continents, continents are having different types of landforms. Continents are having different types of landforms. Those are mountains, plains, plateaus. These are all coming under to the second order landforms. These are all called as second order landforms. Which are called as the second order landforms? Mountains, plains, plateaus are called as second order landforms. Which are called as first order landforms? Oceans, continents are called as first order landforms. Okay, now coming to these first order landforms and second order landforms, we are going to explain about the tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are related to these first order landforms and the second order landforms. Okay, how these are related to the landforms, the different types of landforms. Now, let us see about the tectonic plates. Okay, as you see in the previous lesson, all the continents and all the oceans are held together like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, at the beginning of the Earth's journey, suppose let it is the globe or it is the Earth. About 220 million years ago, all the continents, all the present continents were held together like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, jigsaw puzzle. All the, like suppose if it is the globe, if you see here, you can see the Africa. This is the Africa, and here you can see South America. Here we can see North America. These all continental parts are like a jigsaw puzzle. If you fix all the continents were held together, we can see the entire landmass. Okay, about 220 million years ago, all the continents were fixed at one place. After so many changes had been occurred on the earth, the continents are slowly moved and it will be differentiated with the water. It will be differentiated with the water. Okay. Now let us see. Suppose if it is the entire landmass, if it is the earth, it is having the three different types of layers. Those are, we have discussed in the previous class. In the previous lesson, earth is divided into three internal layers. Those are, the first one is crust, second one is mantle, and the third one is core. These are the three internal layers of the earth. As you see, the crust is on the crust we are having the continents and oceans. These we are calling as continents and oceans we are calling as the first order landforms. These first order landforms are lying on the crust. Okay, this crust which is the which is floats on the mantle. Why? How it is floats on the mantle? Why? Because here this is the mantle. Mantle is in the form of liquid. Is in the form of molten stage. That's why the crust or the layer crust is which floats on the mantle, and all the continents and oceans are divided with the plate-like structures. Okay, all the continents and oceans, the present continents and oceans, all these are fixed on the base massive rocks called the tectonic plates. These plates are called tectonic plates. Okay, the layer crust which is floats on the molten state mantle. Due to this mantle, the continents, these plates are moving slowly, which we cannot feel. If the movement is happening, then we cannot feel the movement on the earth, because there is a slow movement is happening on the crust. Okay, the first order landforms, all the first order landforms like continents and oceans are fixed on the crust. This crust portion is fixed on the base massive rocks called plates. This entire crust and continents are oceans are fixed on the base massive rocks called plates. Due to the molten state of mantle, these plates are moving slowly. These plates are, suppose if it is the crust, it is having so many plates like this. Those are, we are having 7 major plates on the earth. Okay, now look at the globe. Okay, the entire Africa is in one plate. The entire Europe and Asia is one plate. The India and the Australia is on one plate. The South America is lying on one plate, and the North America is lying on one plate. Like this, the plates are arranged on the crust. Okay, now there are 7 major plates are lying on crust. Those are the Antarctic plate, Indo-Australian plate, North American plate, South American plate, Eurasian plate, the African plate, and finally the Pacific plate. These are the plates. Which are fixed on the crust. The crust is fixed on the crust is floats on the mantle. That's why these plates are moving slowly. These 7 plates are moving slowly. These movements are called tectonic movements or plate tectonics. The movement of these 7 plates on the earth that are called plate tectonics. But we cannot feel these movements on the earth. Why? Because the movements were very slow. Okay, what happened if the movements were happened in between among these plates? Okay, it causes earthquakes. It causes earthquakes, tsunamis. Okay, these are the disasters we can face. We should face if these plates are moving suddenly. These plates are moving suddenly. Okay, coming to tectonic plates. These are the 7 major plates which are fixed on the crust. Those are Antarctic plate, Indo-Australian plate, North American plate, South American plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, and Pacific plate. Okay. The movements of these plates is called plate tectonics. The movements of these plates is called plate tectonics. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics. In the language Greek, the tecton means tecton means carpenter. Tecton means carpenter. In the language about tectonic means takshan. Takshan means carpenter. In the language Sanskrit also it derives the same meaning. Tectonic means carpenter. Okay. This is about tectonic plates on the crust portion. Okay. In the next class we will discuss about the what will happen if these plates are moved suddenly, or what will happen if these plates are moving slowly on the earth. Okay. Thank you, children.